This is Paul, Dad, and Jesse, and welcome back to another video. And we call ourselves the Neighbor Homestead Farms.
In this video that we got here is going to be about chickens and their water source. So this here red container here is a 16 by 16, and this bucket here is a 5-gallon bucket. So every time we had them smaller little bowls that you buy at like Tractor Supply, Home Depot. You go down there and you can get a little chicken feeder, and they'll mess around in it, poop in it. We don't want that. Nope. So we came out here and we got them a 16 by 16 and got us a bucket, and we're gonna drill some holes a little bit below this line here, right on there. We're gonna drill it about right here, and so we're gonna fill this up with water, and as soon as the water fills up in this container to where the hole is, the water will quit until they keep drinking out of it.
Alright. Now how'd you get them lines there? What'd you do? Or how we do it out there?
I pulled it up here.
Yeah.
And I made the line of where this top was, and then I pushed it down and it came down about ½ an inch, and put a circle of where I needed to go, where it'd be good.
Good.
So now all we gotta do is drill in this hole right here, a little bit under it, and it should be good for the chickens for a while.
Well, yes. We couldn't find no drill bit, but we did find a screw.
Yeah.
And so that will be
Good for us.
content.
We're just gonna get it under it. Gonna get our We got the first screw in here. I just need to take it out, and we got our next one. Here, just put that one in there. Sounds like some chickens having a field over there. Alright, now we just put this one right here. Having this will help out in the future. Put the water in with the chickens, maybe even the goats.
But now them other chickens, they'll get an extra watering bowl, so.
Yeah, and it'd be easier on them too.
Yeah. Alright, let's try it out, see how you work it. If you want to, Paul, go ahead and let them chickens out.
Yeah.
Just bring your bucket over.
We had one up there laying down for a while today. It looks like there's something right there in that second row. Looks like something might be laying there too.
Yeah. Come on out, girls. Come on out. Spread y'all's wings. Go, go. Uh-oh. There they go. Alright, see this is their water bowl from before.
Yeah.
Alright, Paul, you care to get that one water out of here?
We'll slide this over a little bit there.
There we go. Just like that. Now pour that in. We'll see how it's gonna work. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But it will continue to fill up until it gets that line. Get us in their bucket of water, Paul.
Okay.
Looks kind of rainy out today, so maybe
Yeah.
our rain harvesting. Check that out on our other video about rain
Yeah,
harvesting.
we might get some rain, which we still need to get a barrel.
Yeah. But yeah, it will fill up to these holes here, and give them fresh drinking water. Hey, buddy.
There's a problem. That thing right there, that what we was using was real small. They'd step in it. It was getting nasty. They'd tip it over. We just had to come out and water them, check on them all the time. And
Yeah, 3 or 4 times a day for the water.
so this right here, they'll have plenty of water.
Yeah. 5 gallons of water, maybe enough water once a day. So.
Anybody just keep checking. What we do is we put the lid back on it because you don't want your chicken to accidentally fall or jump in the water. So you put your lid back on, and then when you get through, you go to add water to it. You just open your lid, pour the water in it, and it's good to go. That's all you have to do is take your 5-gallon bucket, put it in your pan, draw a line, and a dot like how we did there, and then drill you some holes. If you got a drill bit or just a screw, whichever one, just drill you a few holes, and there you go. Then it's ready to go. Fill it up with water, and you're good. Raise her up and see if there's an egg up underneath her. She's been laying all day.
Yeah. Yep.
There is?
Here.
It's probably warm.
Yeah.
But she's trying to set on that one egg. Take some straw and move it into that. There you go.
Well, we got one egg. What was that? Here's that nice. Hopefully here soon the other chickens start laying as well.
Well, she's been sitting on that egg all day.
Maybe you think it's fertile yet?
No, I wouldn't think.
A rooster.
Oh, we got a visitor.
Yeah.
That is Dean. Hello, Dean.
Oh.
We've been having some crazy weather here lately. We ain't been able to video much, but now seems the weather's clearing up a little bit. We might be able to video some more.
Yeah, it seems like it's real cold one day, raining, little frost.
Here comes Paul with some more water.
Yeah. We had our garden planted maybe like a month ago or a few weeks ago, and it got real cold. Killed all the plants we had out there, so we had to start from scratch.
Yeah,
But I think that was the last frost. So
frost we had. Care to step by there, Jesse, and get that green lid?
yeah.
Whoa.
We got this green lid here.
Alright, go ahead and fill it back up with water.
I know. We'll put this water in here. There we go. The water's shooting out now.
There we go.
There we go. And now we just wait for it to hit up that circle, and they'll have that much water to drink on. And
Paul, go get my drill, and there's a screw. Get that screw.
Don't let them goats eat it.
Alright, we're going to see here.
Let's see if it stops while we cover it up there. So the only thing I see with her right now is kind of the ground's uneven where they're messing around with all the ground, so this hose will get covered up before that one. So, I mean, I think it's about to get covered up though.
Yep.
And it's about to be covered. Is that everything? Oh, it just has it out. So,
Did you do that? Yeah,
Yeah. What's up? Something just happened?
Yeah. Alright, this one stopped.
yeah, that one's under. This one right here's under. That one's on.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, every time they get a drink of it, it'll be good, clear water. You think it's gonna work out, Paul?
Maybe.
There's a bug down there. I'm surprised it's still alive.
And I just don't think.
Oh, well, it's dead now. Let's get a good look at our animals before we go. But yeah, this is a great technique for watering your animals. 5-gallon bucket. They'll always have water. All they gotta do now is just come out, clean it out, and be good to go. It'll automatically always fill up for them.
That'd be nice.
Let's take a look at our animals before we. This one's Sam, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Sam. Hello, Sam.
Still a little.
And this is Dean. Hey, Dean. Hey, Sam. Yeah, Rhode Island Reds is still doing good. Oh, there they take off. Alright, Paul, you ready to end our video, or?
Yeah, we'd like for you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I post a video, it'll let you know. And thanks for watching.
Alright, yeah, thank y'all.